Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review in an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Purrustic, the healthy alternative. So Purrustic is providing with a really popular drink that is named as Slimfix. So it's been getting really popular among social media influencers and different ads. As you can see, it's an ultra slim, feel younger, cut stored fat drink that will improve your metabolism and digestions. And these drinks are getting so much popular among the influencers, especially on social media, as they have made a bold claim of the person has lost 11 kgs in 45 days with this Slimfix drink. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. As you can see, it will help you to boost your metabolism, it reduces your fat accumulation and improve the digestions. And 62% of customers had noticed visible results with the 6 days pack according to their claims, and they have also enlisted the list of ingredients that are included. So these ingredients have been pretty much the natural ones, but we never know they have been actually used in the product. So now let's find out the actual description and actual reviews through the Amazon. As you can see, it is also available on Amazon, and 38 people have reviewed it so far, and it has a pretty decent rating of 3.6. So I would say that it is a really much good rating. And apart from this, their domain name was registered back in 2024 on GoDaddy, so which means it has been in the market for about a year now. So this is also a pretty much good signal. So in conclusion, I would say, like, you can try purchasing this product, but not in bulk at first. Just try purchase it and give it a shot if it works for you. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.